This is the shower test apparatus for the BASF quick trigger product line. It's a commercial shower head adapted to a standard laboratory sink. There are 324 separate nozzles in an 18 by 18 grid pattern. The test panels are cast and cured according to the test requirements, usually 30 mils, and cured at +4 degrees C and 75% relative humidity. And the panels are exposed to the test conditions for 30 minutes or until a failure is observed, as you see here. This testing allows for testing with a volume and rate and distribution pattern that far more accurately simulates moderate rainfall conditions.